What's up everyone, today I will unboxing HP Laserjet Pro M501 printer, and today I will show how to install and how to set up network. Today I will show this. Let's see what inside the printer box. Here is a 3-type power cable. You can use this power cable according to your power socket. Here is some user manual. And here is a printer diversity HP Laserjet Pro M501. And here is one USB cable. If you want to connect this printer with your computer as the USB printer, you can use this cable. This printer outlook is very beautiful. You can use this printer at your office and at your home. This is a mid-range printer. If you can buy this printer, definitely you buy. Let's check the paper tray. Here is two paper tray. This one is paper tray 2. And you can set this paper tray as per your paper size, and you can also adjust this paper tray. You can set this as per your paper size. Okay, and let's see what is the printer cartridge model. Printer cartridge model is 87. This is the original HP printer cartridge. You can use here as a China cartridge, no problem, but I will suggest you, if you can always use the original cartridge. That very good for printer. Okay, now plug in the power, press the power button, and here is some option, startup option. You can see, you can choose language as per your language, location USA, and self manage, default self manage. Okay, press OK, save. Ready the printer. Now set up the paper. You can just see how I am setting this paper size, paper tray. Okay, after set up the paper, don't move the paper anywhere. That's okay. This is the perfect. You just follow my step. That will be good. Checking the test page. Okay, this is the test page. You can see job storage. This print quality is very good, no problem. Now I will show how to set up the IP address. Go to the setup menu. Enter the network setup. Here is so many options, and I will select the IPv4 config method. Okay, enter. Auto IP, do not need this. DHCP. I enter the manual IP. You just put your IP, which one you assign for this printer. I have assigned my printer 192.168.170.229. Okay. Yes, subnet mask as it is. Now I will enter my default gateway 192.168.170.001. Okay. TCP setting setup saved. Now our printer setup is okay. So friends, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay.